This is the moment Chardonnay Lockhart faced a critical choice from a Texas judge. Already on probation for attempted arson, she was back in court for violating the terms of her release by failing to report. The prosecution offered a deal, but the judge presented a stark alternative: take the deal or receive the maximum sentence. In a surprising turn, the defendant, who was homeless and unemployed, made a conscious decision that would determine the next year of her life. This is the tense hearing where her fate was sealed.
All right. Are y'all ready to proceed?
Defense is ready, Your Honor. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Court is calling 2022 CR 3597. I'm sorry, y'all need to be silent in the box wearing the record. Ms. Kramer? That's okay. You can ask them to move your client down to the other end. Court is calling 2022 CR 3597, State of Texas versus Chardonnay Lockhart. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Again, U.S. Court for the State of Texas.
Defense?
Mark Darling for the defendant.
And are you Ms. Lockhart?
Yes, ma'am.
Going to show you a document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Are you the same Chardonnay Lockhart who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 3597 for the offense of attempted arson, reckless causing damage on May 15, 2023 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violate condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Chardonnay Lockhart, then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of August and September 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor, the state waives all the violations.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County jail and up to a $4,000 fine? Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, the proposed agreement is for 272 days in the Bexar County jail and for this to satisfy the judgment. It's a Class A misdemeanor.
All right. Has she done anything on probation?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Then why would, all right. So you've done nothing on probation. Probation, what are you requesting?
After she was here last in court, she just did not show up anymore. So we understand that there may have been or maybe some issues as far as maybe possibly homelessness and so forth. And we were going to ask just to amend for a moral recognition therapy, job skills training, and possibly the reentry center for services.
All right. And will this be set up while she's in custody if I follow this?
We can't set up those things in custody, Judge.
All right. All right.
At the time, Judge, just to also, I know you have your docket sheet.
Mm-hmm.
She was evaluated for DDRF. However, we could not do DDRF because at the time she was pregnant. Don't know what the status is of that is at this particular moment, but we just don't have enough to go off of to give any other recommendation, Judge.
All right. Miss Lockhart, can you raise your right hand for me, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Chardonnay Lockhart.
All right.
Chardonnay Lockhart.
All right. Miss Lockhart, what's the status of the pregnancy?
I'm not pregnant any further.
Okay.
Judge,
I mean, how do you mean?
Okay. All right. So here's my issue. I don't know if anybody wants to ask any more questions, but I'm not going to give her 272 days in the Bexar County jail. If she wants to be revoked, she can be revoked. I'll give her 365 days at the Bexar County jail, or she can, or I will follow the probation's recommendation.
You understand? Do you agree? Judge, it's Ms. Lockhart's wish that you do sentence her to 365 days in the Bexar County Jail after revocation versus the alternative, she doesn't wish to make
Right,
those
it'll be a
efforts.
$4,000 fine, and time and money is not going to run concurrent. Because let me just tell you, Mr. Lockhart, here's what the problem is. The problem is that you're on deferred for an attempted arson. You're homeless. You have no job. You've been staying from hotel to hotel. You're going to end up potentially, if I just send you out in the world, you're going to end up getting another theft case, or something else is going to end up going wrong with your life if you don't get stable. The only thing that I can do other than continue on probation is maxing you out. And the reason why I would max you out is because you have done nothing. And the reason why I will not run time and money concurrent is because you have done nothing. So the choice is yours.
Well, then you can choose the maximum sentence of 365. Tell the judge.
It's like you stated the first.
Yeah, I'll tell the judge.
Yes. What would you like to do?
Okay, I would like to do the 365 and pay the $4,000 fine.
All right. Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yeah,
You want to talk to her about that?
Well, I did, and I filed the trial court certification along with the explanation before she signed it. So, as I told you, you're not going to be able to appeal your decision to enter a plea of truth. So you've effectively waived it by tendering that document.
Well, Ms.
You're not going
Lockhart,
to have right to appeal.
if you want the court to sentence you to the 365 days with a $4,000 fine, time and money not run concurrent, are you waiving your right to appeal?
yes,
I'm sorry?
yes, ma'am.
All right. Court will grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you to 365 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for any time served. There's a $4,000 fine. Time and money is not to run concurrent. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am, I did understand.
All right, because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.